my channel. Today's video is about perfumes. I love perfumes. I am such a perfume addict and I'm really excited to be filming this today. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you a few perfumes which give you that sexy seductive smell, that very rich smelling scent. I don't know, like, if you know what I mean by rich smelling. Of course, if you're rich, you don't have to wear perfume. But here in Brazil, when something smells really nice, we sometimes like to say that, oh, it smells like rich people. It smells like very rich. So I just thought it would be cool to include that in this video. I'm gonna be showing you some of my favorites and perfumes that I just really love. These are all the perfumes that I took with me to Brazil. I have a whole collection, and of course I was not able to bring everything with me. So one thing that I quickly noticed here in Brazil is that perfume are very expensive, and I was so happy when Scentbird reached out to me because I really wanted to buy this one specific perfume, and I went online, checked out the price and everything, and I just noticed that it's way too expensive for a perfume here. So I'm really happy that Scentbird reached out to me. I don't know if you've ever heard of Scentbird, but I saw that a few other YouTubers have collaborated with them in the past. Also, Gabby DiMartino, she just uploaded a video with Scentbird. So let me tell you a little bit about Scentbird. Scentbird is really cool, and when they first reached out to me, I was like, yes, I need this, I need to try it out, because it's very rare for me to like get down here on a perfume bottle, only if I really love it. So Scentbird is a perfume subscription where you get to choose your favorite designer perfume every single month that comes in this perfume bottle. And the cool thing about this perfume bottle is that it's the perfect size for every month. It lasts for very long, and the best thing is that they have so many different designer brands that you get to choose from. So there was this fragrance that I always wanted, as I told you, and I was so happy they had it. So I got to save a lot of money. I picked the Versace Noir. I really love this perfume. It's so good, it's so amazing. Spending money on a big perfume bottle can be such a waste when you know that you're not going to use the whole thing. But the reason why I would recommend you to check out Scentbird is because it is cheaper and you get to choose which fragrance you want. And yes, it's the original one. I made sure to pick one which I already loved and which I knew I really wanted. It smells so warm and so sexy and seductive. So I used to work at this company, and this girl there, she always used to wear this perfume, and I remember her just walking around in the hallways and it always smelled like her, and I really loved that smell. Yeah, it smelled really good. It just smells very sexy and seductive. But as I told you, if you want to check out any fragrance, you can go to Scentbird and just get your subscription box for only $14.95 every single month, and you will get this size of perfume. This is amazing for sleepovers, for traveling, to keep in your purse. I really love the size of this, because usually when you're traveling on a plane, you're not allowed to bring more than 100 milliliters of perfume or liquid with you on the plane. So this is the perfect size, guys. Like, seriously, I am so impressed with this company. The idea is just so amazing because, yeah, perfumes can be expensive. And so the next perfume is the Ange au Démon by Givenchy. I really love this. I really love this. It smells so good. It smells really sexy and good, and just like a woman. Like, it just smells like self-confidence. Smells so good. Like, oh, I love this. I'm also really sorry. I am the worst person ever describing scents, but let me try to explain you what it smells like. So at the time when I traveled to Brazil and I met my boyfriend, I was using this perfume, and as you can tell, it is already down here. I love it so much. It smells so good. So yes, this perfume is on the expensive side, but it's totally worth it because the smell lasts so long on your clothes and it just smells so good. It's good for winter and for summer. It smells a little fresh, but still kind of warm, like flowery, but still very expensive. Like, it almost smells like men's perfume, not men's perfume, but very female. I'm really bad at describing scents. I should not be filming this video, guys. Next scent, I'm pretty sure all of you know, it's the Miss Dior Eau de Parfum. And by the way, guys, I think that a perfume bottle can make such a difference about how you feel when putting it on or when smelling it. And this bow right here, it's just the cutest, and I love the colors. This perfume here is on the stronger side, and this almost smells like older lady type. So when I went back home to Switzerland and I had my flight back to Brazil, I forgot to pack a perfume with me on a plane, and I noticed that I was smelling tired. After 12 hours of flying, you're just tired and you like don't want anyone to smell you. But I was seeing my boyfriend again, so I had to do something. I walked through the duty-free store and I found this perfume and I just sprayed it on. I knew it was good because I had it obviously, and I knew it was on the stronger side. And when I arrived, my boyfriend was like, oh my god, you smell so good, what is it? And I was like, thank you, I don't know. Like, I didn't even try, I swear. It smells a little more flowery and a lot stronger than the other one. Also because it is a eau de parfum and not an eau de toilette. If I would try to describe you what it smells like, it's almost as if you are shopping at Chanel or Dior or Louis Vuitton and you see this very like elegant, almost older but not too old lady, which just looks very classy and good. This is what it smells like. And its next perfume is by Carolina Herrera. I almost don't see people talking about her brand in Switzerland, or I don't know about the United States, but in Switzerland I never heard anyone talking about her. But here in Brazil her brand is very hyped, and this is the 212 VIP one. People seem to really love her rosé perfume, but I really love this one because it is a little bit stronger than the rosé one, and that's what I really love about it. It almost smells a little like a man's perfume again, but it's not. It's for girls. You can smell that it's for girls. It just smells really good, guys. This almost reminds me a little of the Lady Million perfume. It's very similar. It smells as if you are about to go on a night out or to a very fancy restaurant. So Carolina Herrera's perfumes are like, don't smell as if a 15-year-old going to high school would smell like this. This is more for like, I'm 25 and I have my shit together stuff. This is what it smells like. I'm not saying that 15-year-olds don't have their shit together. Please don't get me wrong. I'm just trying to describe the scent. But it really smells as if you are this classy businesswoman. So talking about Carolina Herrera, as I said, her perfumes are very sexy, and I'm pretty sure you can tell by this bottle. Like, hello. This smells so amazing. It's almost a little bit more... Let me spray it a little bit on so I can describe it better to you guys. So this almost has a spicy scent to it. It smells really good. I really love the bottle of this, like this in your room. Like, yes please, it just looks so sexy. I really love this bottle. And this one is the Good Girl Eau de Parfum. Also, this is not an Eau de Toilette, this is an Eau de Parfum. Scent just really sticks to your skin and it just smells so good, guys. It smells very rich, as if you are this rich girl walking into her house with marble floors. It just smells so good. Scents can totally change your mood, guys. So good, so good. So now, if you are someone who likes sweeter perfumes but still like very sexy smelling, I would recommend you to check out the Yves Saint Laurent Black Opium. I love this bottle. It's glittery. I really love glitter, guys. Like, look how pretty this is. It's so amazing. So this was the typical perfume which every girl bought whenever it launched, because it smells really good, guys. It just smells so good and it lasts so long on your skin. This is also an eau de parfum. I just prefer buying eau de parfums, guys. I don't know why. As I said, it just lasts a lot longer on you. And the color of the perfume is this orangey pink. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it smells really sweet. But at the same time, it still smells very classy. It's not too sweet. It's like the girly perfume. It's almost like, it's perfect for a first date or just a girl's night out. This smells very feminine. I don't know. It doesn't smell as if a 40-year-old woman would like to wear this. Maybe if she likes sweeter scents, but it's more for like 20 up to 30 or also less. Also 17-year-old could wear this. Of course, maybe there are older people enjoying this scent, but it smells sweeter. That's why I would say that maybe 15-year-olds or 16-year-olds or 17-year-olds would also like to wear this, because it just smells sweeter than other perfumes, because it smells very sweet but still very classy, very sexy and seductive. It's really good. So guys, and last but not least, this one is also from Yves Saint Laurent, and this one is probably one of my favorite perfumes. I know I'm saying this all the time, but you have to understand that this is my favorite perfume collection that I just showed you. this is maybe the third bottle of this perfume or second. I was in Spain with my dad and he was like, oh, you can choose a perfume, I will give it to you as a present. And I got really happy. I don't know why, I just got really excited and I was like, okay, I would really like to have another bottle of this one because I had it a few years ago, or like a year ago, and I really loved it. So I got a bigger size of it, and also it was on sale. I think that he paid 45 euros for this big bottle. And yes, it is original. I did not get it at like on the street or something. It was in a mall. It's the kind of perfume that people will compliment you on or ask you what you're wearing, because it smells very flirty, very floral, and it smells like flowers and a garden, but still like very seductive and classy. So one of my friends a few years ago, she used to use this and she was like, people are complimenting me on my scent so much and they're asking me what I'm using. And this is the type of scent that people will stop you and ask you what you are wearing because it just smells so good. Wait, I will just call my mom and ask her if she can help me describe it. Mãe!
Para mulheres decididas. Mulher que sabe o que quer, né? É um perfume pra noite, sensual.
Okay, thanks. That's good, Mommy.
É um perfume que deixa uma mulher sensual.
Thank you. So basically my mom said that this perfume smells as if you know what you want, like as if your self-esteem is very high and you know what you want. And it's the type of perfume which makes a woman smell like very seductive but not too strong. It's just very light but still very, it still has this power of making you smell really different and good and just very sexy. Like, in my opinion, any age can wear this. So for me, of course, any age can wear any perfume that I just showed you, but when I look at this perfume, I see a 18 to 30 maybe wearing this, or maybe even higher, like to 50. It smells really good. It's probably made for any age because it's the type of perfume which works for everyone. It's not too strong, it works for everyone. It's still very seductive but not too strong. And by the way, guys, I forgot to tell you the name. This one is Manifesto by Yves Saint Laurent. Fun fact about me, I recognize perfumes. Like, if you're wearing a perfume that I know, I will recognize it and tell you what perfume it is. Sometimes I just go to stores, smell a perfume, and I will remember it for like a really long time. It's just something weird about me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you liked it. And also let me know if you know any of the scents and what you would describe them. Like, what do you think of them? Do you like them or don't you like them? Maybe you've had a bad experience with one of them and I would really like to know. Or maybe also a good experience or like a compliment from someone. Just let me know. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on my next video. I love you so much and have a great time. See you next time. Bye, guys.
You got a fetish for my love.